Hello everyone. I've had IBDD for almost 3 years now and have tried every kind of medication known to man, including immunosuppressing myself with steroids to get my IBD under control. Although I had some pretty serious GI pain and diarrhea every day, the main symptom that destroyed my life was incontinent gas. I couldn't sit next to people or be in close quarters to anyone. It was so embarrassing and really took a toll on my mental health. The only kind of medication that kind of helped was the steroids, but I can't be immunosuppressed for my job, so I had to stop. I kind of gave up hope after a while until I stumbled across the charcoal patties, and then I started thinking about how activated charcoal is used to bind toxins after ingestion. So instead of paying $40 for a pair of charcoal panties, I gave this medication a shot to see what would happen, and